Hello, I'm Jana. I'm a new rider and I usually ride out with a group of friends. However, my gas was running very low and I couldn't practice anymore kasi baka maubusan ako ng gas and it's gonna be hard to push such a heavy bike around. So I decided to go get gas on my own for the very first time. Usually kasi may kasama talaga ako but this time no choice. Hindi naman malayo yung gas station from my place so it wasn't that bad. I was just nervous, but I made it there in one piece. I made it there alive. Joke lang, char. So, here I am gassing up. You can see in a minute why I like this bag. It's magnetic, so you could just pull it down if you need to move it quickly. I don't like kasi the look of a top box on my bike, so I think the closest thing I can do is wear a backpack or have saddlebags or yan, tank bag. Para hindi masira yung Japorms nung bike ko. Char! So ayan, it's a bit shaky yung bag, but there's an option to strap it on naman. So maybe next time I'll try that. So after ko mag-practice dito, nainitan na ako kasi 12 o'clock ng tanghali yan. I was thinking of going to Alabang pero natamad na ako. So, I went to a place near my house na lang. It's roughly around 5 kilometers away. I went to the Orchard. There's some coffee shops around the area and I really like the ambiance here. And I brought my camera with me so I decided to take some photos for fun. So, yes, that's all.